think Tara practice was introduced to me early on my Dharma path, and I was not a Vajrayana student, but I remember I asked a question, something about what I could do with my married life that I had trouble with, and the suggestion was to do green Tara. Tara, you have a way of tapping into the deity, I think I'm not sure, in a more friendly way, even for non-Vajrayana students. And you enter it with a heart of wanting to do something for someone else, but then through the practice, you also learn your own confusion is right in front of you. And I found it powerful because you have that attitude of wanting to do something beneficial, but at the same time, you're really seeing yourself as, oh, how confused I am. And the Tara practice really taps into something more than what you think who you are.